Have you ever thought of Adelaide as a creative powerhouse? While Sydney and Melbourne often steal the spotlight, this city is bursting with creativity. Over the last decade, Adelaide has emerged as a leader in food, wine, tourism, and a vibrant creative industry. As a graphic designer, I've witnessed firsthand the growing demand for unique branding and storytelling. Local businesses seek to stand out, and our design community is rising to meet this challenge. Adelaide's renowned wine regions, such as Barossa and McLaren Vale, are not just about grapes. They're about identity and design. Effective wine labels must compete globally. I've designed labels with both European elegance and raw, organic aesthetics that reflect sustainability. Tourism in Adelaide has also transformed. Gone are the days of simple brochures. Now, immersive experiences dominate. The Adelaide Fringe Festival showcases this shift, where vibrant design creates an inclusive identity through posters and online platforms. Moreover, festivals like Sala turn the city into a celebration of creativity, fostering collaboration and growth among designers. For me, Adelaide isn't just about design, it's personal. As a Lebanese Australian, I bring cultural fusion into my work. I take pride in showcasing Adelaide globally. The creative opportunities here are expanding. If you're a designer seeking impact, Adelaide is the place for you. Join this vibrant movement and unleash your creativity.